9 historical facts about the Persian Empire. 1. From 539 BC to 331 BC, the Persian Empire was the most powerful state in the world. 2. The Persian Empire was ruled from Persia, which is now Iran, and stretched from Egypt to India. 3. Under King Darius, the empire was divided into 20 provinces in order to stop any single region from becoming too powerful. 4. The Royal Road was the longest highway in the Persian Empire. It ran for more than 1,550 miles. 5. In 520 BC, King Darius gave orders for a magnificent new building to be built at Persepolis. 6. Known as Darius the Great, Darius I reorganized the Persian government. He had great victories in Turkey and led an invasion of Greece. 7. Satraps were local rulers appointed by the king to govern individual provinces. Their job was to enforce law and order and to collect taxes and tributes. 8. Persian kings did not trust the satraps, so they employed special spies known as the king's eyes and ears to make sure the satraps were not stealing the taxes and tributes. 9. Alexander the Great conquered the Persian Empire in 331 BC. Next, 9 historical facts about the Byzantine Empire.